Well, we were in traffic on I-74, and we were at a dead stop, and a car hit us from behind, going about 70 miles an hour, knocked us into the car in front of us, and we suffered some extensive injuries, had to go by ambulance to the hospital.
You know, all the metal broke in the car. The seats, when we came to, we were completely back, laying down, because all the metal on the seats broke, and the windows, and, you know, everything broke. And so it was quite a blow, quite an impact, you know, someone, you know, unfortunately on their phones, texting, you know, so.
Yeah, I had just cuts and bruises, but the big ones were deep vein thrombosis in each of my legs as a result of the impact. So.
Yes, I have permanent eye injury that I'll have to wear special lenses in my glasses, and I have the hematomas in my leg 6 years later still. So other than that, therapy and speech therapy, physical therapy helped tremendously.
When you have injuries like that, you don't know what the effects are going to be down the road. So when I wasn't expected to get the full amount, it was good to have somebody like Jim in my corner to tell me those types of things. Like, you don't know what's going to happen down the road and what you might need money for. Just because you are okay right now and you're okay with taking the lesser amount, you may need that money down the road, and it's probably in your best interest for us to go after that full amount. And that's,
Yeah.
I mean, that's huge to have somebody in your corner like that. So the insurance company was trying not to, didn't want to share some of my information, and they also wanted some information that I believe was covered under HIPAA laws and that they didn't have a right to. And Jim kind of went that extra mile to not only get us satisfaction in our case against them, but also file another suit to make sure that they didn't only get my information, but set a precedent so that they couldn't do that for anybody else. So that's one of the big things about Jim is he cares about you, but he does what's right, and that's huge. Jim and his staff there are fantastic. I mean, like I said, we knew him personally beforehand, so it was easy to approach him. But once we had hired him as our attorney, his staff was in constant contact with us. They were easy to talk to. He explained things so that we could understand them. It wasn't reading a bunch of things that I would need a law degree to understand. So he was very forthcoming that way in explaining in real language what was happening. So, like I said, he cares. He went that extra mile for us. And he not only cared about us, but he cares about doing what's right.